Hello, welcome back to Miss Diaz at the channel with me, Miss Diaz. Okay, in this video, I will focus on a discussion about panel discussion. Okay, this video will be all about panel discussion. What is panel discussion? And also some roles in panel discussion. Okay, this video is related to speaking for academic purpose uh, in my campus. So just listen. Maybe you need some information about panel discussion and want to know what is panel discussion, what's the difference between panel discussion and a common discussion. Okay, let's check. Yeah, this is the definition of panel discussion taken from powerfulpanel.com. All of the information here gathered and adapted from panel powerfulpanels.com. Okay, if you want to know some information about panel discussion and all of the details, you can go to that website and find some information about the panel discussion. Okay, let me continue. What is panel discussion? Panel discussion is a specific format used in meeting, conference, or convention. Okay, this is a specific format, not like a common discussion. Okay, in a panel discussion, there are some panelists in front of the stage, or if it's virtual, it will be the panelists will be as a speakers. Okay, but this is not a common discussion where the moderator give questions and answer to the panelists, or maybe the panelists present something first and then after that there is a discussion session. No, this is a specific format of a discussion, use kind of panel form. Okay, panel discussion can be live or virtual discussion about specific topic amongst a selected group of panelists who share different perspective in front of a large audience. Okay, panel discussion commonly watched by a large audience. It can be a presidential panel discussion. It can be like a TED talk panel discussion, or maybe you can see several panel discussion on the internet. And the panel discussion session typically lasts for 60 minutes until 90 minutes. Okay, this is not some hours discussion. Okay, it's limited an hour until 1.5 hours. Okay, you need to remember also that a panel discussion is not a set of presentation one after another presentation. Okay, this is once again, this is not a set of presentation, one presenter to another presenter to the next presenter. No, that's that doesn't call a panel discussion. That's a list of presentation. Okay, panel discussion is not like that. Panel discussion, the panelists discuss a specific topic together in a limited time. Okay, not present something one by one. Okay, a panel discussion also not a one-on-one interview with each panelist, like for example Mata Najwa on television program. Yeah, that's not a panel discussion, because panel discussion is not an interview. Okay, third, a panel discussion is not just Q&A, question and answer from the audiences. Okay, that's not from the moderator, not also from the audiences. Okay, you need to take a note of that, because it can be kind of bias between panel discussion and a common discussion. Next, here are some roles in panel discussion. Okay, first we have master of ceremony who welcoming the audience, and then after that invited the moderators and panelists, and then after that close the ceremony or the panel discussion. Yeah. And then second, we have moderator. Okay, the panel is typically facilitated by the moderator who guides the panel and the audience through the event. Okay, the moderator who guides the panel, not MC. Okay, the third, in the panel, there are experts. They are commonly called as panelists. Okay, they share ideas about specific topics together in around 60 minutes until 90 minutes. Okay, the fourth, this is the most important role in panel discussion, that's audience. Okay, audience also play roles in panel discussion to make the panel discussion more interesting to conduct and to watch. Okay, that's all. Maybe I want to know about these two questions from you. Who are you in a panel discussion? And what skill do you want to explore in a panel discussion? Let me know your answer on the comment box below. Thank you very much. See you on another materials about panel discussion. Okay, bye-bye. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video.